do we get all this right? Our life through rosy haze, I remember hearts, I remember days I didn't want to part. When the evening comes and the train goes by, no longer by your side, I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh, it's not what I want, but I'll take what I got. Is that enough for you? Guess that's not enough for you.
I was once a UK garage sensation. Top of the charts, right on top. Topping the charts, on top. But that all changed. I became mediocre. Today, I'm under the bloody ochre. After a recent spat of retaliation in the press, hitting back at the core reason of my rise, but mostly my fall. Ginger bastard.
Hey, vote selector, man! Hey, Craig David! It's from a bar, innit, eh? Well, you piss your pants, eh? Where's Kez? Let's get a picture of you.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you mug!
Get lost!
You mug!
Get lost!
Sorry to put that on the end of your track there, Charlotte. Right, up next we have a track by Fury and a pretty heavy band. You might know Dan from PR Records. He is part of this band. Cracking lad. Yeah, have a go at this. This is Furian. What's up? This is a new single. These are currently on tour at the moment. I was hoping Dan might have been able to help us out on the festival, but he's got his hands tied. He's on tour. Have a go with this, guys. Furian. What's up?
Scream at the sea.
Heavy stuff, man, heavy stuff. Heavy metal. I don't really listen to it much anymore, but I appreciate a good tune, and that is a good tune indeed. Right, we've got another good tune for you now. This is by Sheebies. This is called Always on the Run. Bit of an older one, but it's on the system, and I like to just play these things every now and again and keep people updated, you know what I mean? This is Always on the Run, Sheebies.
Catch me if you can, lay your lips on me, don't waste any time, 'cause I'm always on the run, always on your mind, like a dream come true, careful what you wish for, 'cause I'm always on the run, gotta keep my motor running, gotta keep my heart from showing. Don't try to change me, boy. I'm always on the run. Always on the run. Didn't see me coming. Knocked you off your feet. Taking off was easy, 'cause I'm always on the run. Gotta keep my motor running. Gotta keep my heart from showing. Don't try to change me, boy. I'm always on the run. Always on the run. Hear the sound of me leaving. See the dust kicked up. Watch the trail I'm blazing, 'cause I'm always on the run. Gotta keep my motor running. Gotta keep my heart from showing. Don't try to change me, boy. I'm always on the run. Always on the run. Always on the run.
Lovely tune is that by Sheebeat. Yeah, it's been one of them weeks this week. It's a lot of people fucking do me head in, to be honest with you. Murder, yeah. But I'm gonna, everyone who's listened to the show who knows that you've fucking done my head in this week, I'm gonna leave you with this tune. This is dedicated just for you. Guys, have a wonderful Monday. I know you won't, but it sounds good, so I'm gonna say it anyway. And next Sunday we will be outside in the sunshine, hopefully having a barbecue, celebrating the first year anniversary of the show. I will see you then. I'll see you Thursday before I see you then, though. Right, anyway, time's running out. This is for you, Lily Allen.
Look inside your tiny mind, then look a bit harder, 'cause we're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the hatred you harbour. So you say it's not okay to be gay, well I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Your point of view is medieval.
Time
go to war, well, you're already in one. 'Cause it's people like you that need to get slew. No one wants your opinion. Fuck you very, very much. 'Cause we hate what you do and we hate your whole crew. So please don't stay in touch. Fuck you very, very much. 'Cause your words don't translate and it's getting quite late. So please don't stay in touch.
Well, there's talk that they're putting somebody else back in the house, so I think I might still have a chance. It might be me.
I don't think so, my darling.
Yeah, it might be.
Listen, darling, I don't think it will be you.
It might be.
Watch my lips. It won't be you.
It might be.
Shut up. Join me next time when hopefully we'll have the travelling diary room chair back. Goodbye. Don't say fuck or bugger. Keep waving, you silly bitch. We're still alive. We're still alive. Are we still alive? That's it. We're done, yeah? We're done. Fucking bugger. Get me a cup of tea now. I'm having a baby.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio.